We deserve, we desire. We are Indian, we can perspire. With this, very good morning, one and all present over here, respected sir, and all the dignitaries. I am Rudra Prasad Pradhan with my whole team. And we come today with our bombastic project, which is the economical development of India. We all know that before going towards our topic, first of all, we have to understand what is the literal meaning of economical development. Economical development refers to the progress of a nation in different sectors, like mainly the education, healthcare, our culture, all the awareness and safety. There is no doubt, definitely India is entering an exciting as well as an uniquely challenged phase in its history. Our whole project is especially based on our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ideas, Modi's ambitions and ideologies. Our India has overtook China. We have the world record of having the most populous country in the whole world. Our India, first of all, to develop a nation, we know the human capital should be strong. And after that only, we can perspire in the way of development, economically, physically or socially. First of all, what are the educational features? It should be inculcated in our country for the development. First of all, the student should have the willpower that to do anything they want. They should be educated. They should given the training and job opportunities after the completion of their qualifications. And after this, we have the healthcare facilities. The healthcare facilities, like previously ancient our forefathers, don't have that type of technology to treat the sick people. But nowadays we have incredible number of technology and different type of devices and tools to treat the diseases. Nowadays we are having. The main thing is that we don't have a permanent treatment for cancer and diabetes. For that, many patients are dying every year. But the main thing is that nowadays we got one success that with the help of AI, we get the idea of artificial kidney, which is being implemented in a patient's body, and he is working. And this is the fire station. The implementation of the automatic water sprinkling fire extinguishers in all the cities can develop our country.
Yes, sir. Just like in the big buildings like the hospitals, in the malls, in the banks, if there is a common problem of fire, if there will be fire, the whole entire this area will be ruined, sir. That's why our government has planned a new thing that they will estimate a fire extinguisher, which is truly automatic. If they will place this in the roof of the buildings. So if there will be any fire, the automatic there will be a sensor. The sensor will sense the fire, and after that they will fix a camera there. The camera will target where the fire is there, and after that the water jet will spray the water in this way. We can control the huge fires and to protect the things from ruin. And sir, this is one of our NH highways. Sir, we know that there is a lot of plastics and non-useful material. So there is a plan of thing that our NH, which we are making from various components, we will use some plastic also. This NH will be made from 90% of the bitumen and 10% of plastic. So by this we can reduce the amount of plastic in our environment, sir. After that, I want to say about the cyber crimes. There are
What is the main source of income of the India?
so the main source of income is in India.
Sir, especially farming is the main source of India for the India to get the economic gain.
Identify
Sir?
is there any identification on this project?
So we have made this a city plan for the development of the economy in India. So basically, we have different type of industries here. For that reason, a little bit far we have made. We plan to get the different types of agricultural sectors.
Can economic development of the country helpful to the daily wage level?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, because if you will develop our country, then there, if the daily wage level will be getting jobs opportunities, they could improve their lifestyles. They could improve their living. And if they will get education, they will get the healthcare facilities. They can improve their living standards.